Welcome to this video guide. In this video, we'll present you all the 3D printing parts and electronic parts listed in the BOM for the wireless charging port. First, enclosure A side and B side. Second, baseboard. Third, two transmitter supports. And for the electronic parts, first, two wireless charger transmitters. It has one micro USB port and one USB-A port. Second, a short micro USB to USB-A cable. And last, a long micro USB to USB-A cable with a power supply. This is everything you need for the wireless charging port. Please follow next video for the assembly guide.